a very nice way to do a convolution of sequences in a tricky way. So look at these two. The general formula for convolution is this one. You can see that we take the yn with two sequences, x and h, and this star is the convolution sign of n. So this is the formula. This is the sum from k from minus infinity to infinity, xk times hn minus k. Now we take the borders to be relevant because minus infinity is not, so we're just doing it so it will include the sequences. If the sequence is 3, it doesn't really make any sense to do minus 28, okay? But let's see the algorithm, it will be much easier. So let's see an example. So you can see that I have two sequences, x and h. X is 1, 2, 3, and h is 4 and 5. Now, in order to do the convolution in a very tricky way, in a much easier way to understand, instead of doing this one, which is not convenient to understand, what you can do is just reverse or flip the h sequence. Instead of 4, 5, think of it as 5, 4, and then just slide the h on x and do multiplication. What do I mean? Instead of look on h like this, look on h like this. Instead of 4, 5, look on it as 5, 4. And now slide it on x. Namely, think of it as this one coming from this side. So we start with 1 and 4. This is the first one for y 0, let's call it. So 1 times 4. And the next one, we continue to slide this h, this reversed h, and then 4 will be here, 5 will be here, so it's 1 times 5 plus 2 times 4, 1 times 5 plus 2 times 4, this is for y1, and we continue to slide this reverse h on x, so we got another step. Now 4 will be under 3, and 5 will be under 2, so it's 2 times 5 plus 3 times 4, 2 times 5 plus 3 times 4, so y2 will be 22. And we continue with this reversed h, and we take it another step. So we have 5 here and 4 here. 4 just got out, so we just do 3 times 5, and we get 3 times 5, and we get 15. So y3, the last value for the convolution, for the result of the convolution of x and h, is 15. So those are the results that we got for the convolution, and you saw the trick by reversing the second sequence, in our case the h, and sliding it and doing the multiplication by the area that is just slide now on x. So this is the trick on how doing the convolution, reversing and sliding of the second sequence. Thank you very much, and I think that that's it for now.